This is a beautiful pastured chicken from a farm right down the street from us. And so I'm going to show you how to cut it up and how to take the breast meat off of the breastbone so that you have boneless, skinless chicken breast. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the wing. You're going to grab a hold of the wing with the front of the chicken pointing towards you. You're going to cut underneath the wing. You're going to use the weight of the chicken to help you. So there's one wing there. And do the same on the other side. There's your second wing there. We're going to turn her over and make a cut right through that skin there. We're going to pop that bone out of joint there. Do the same on the other side. There you go. To separate the thigh and the leg, there is this little fat line that runs right through there that tells you exactly where to cut right between the bones. There we go. So there's your thigh, there's your leg, and again. Leg, there's your thigh. Next, we're going to pull the back, split it right there. We're going to cut right through. There's your back. You want to hold on to that. It's wonderful for stock. Cut right down, pull that off. That's the top part of the back with the neck. Hold on to that for stock. Now we're going to take this breast meat off of the bone. So we're going to pull that skin off. We want to hold on to that because that's really, really good for stock. So your double breast right here in front of you. You're going to start by cutting on one side of the breastbone. It's kind of like filleting a fish. You want to stay close to the bone there. Cut up next to that wishbone there, and you're going to pull with one hand and fillet with the other. So there's one side, the other side of that breastbone there. I'm going to turn it around so it's a little easier for me. Work up the side of this. Again, keeping your knife close to the bone. And just kind of scrape and pull with your other hand, pulling the meat away. And then you're left with this keel bone, which is wonderful for stock. We've got a little bit of breast meat left on here. You can pull that off, and but that's just beautiful for stock. So that's going to go over here. And there you go. So breasts, 2 thighs, 2 legs, and 2 wings. Oh, and if you wanted to cut these wings, you just cut right down the middle. Gonna split those. There you go. Cut right down the middle. Same here. Those tips can go to stock. There you go.